Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Oracle Cloud VPS instances using OCI backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console. Once logged in, navigate to the menu located at the top left corner of the dashboard. Under the Compute section, select Instances to view your available VPS instances. Locate the instance you wish to backup from the list displayed. Click on the instance name to open its detailed view. In the Instance Details page, look for the Create Backup option typically found in the upper right section. Select Create Backup to initiate the backup process. You will then see a dialog box prompting you to enter a backup name. Provide a meaningful name to easily identify the backup in the future. Review the backup settings and ensure they meet your requirements. After confirming, click on the Create Backup button to start the backup process. A progress indicator will appear, showing you the status of your backup. It may take several minutes depending on the size of the instance and its data. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification within the console. To verify, return to the Backup section under the same Instance Details page. Here, you will see the new backup listed along with its status, creation time, and size. Ensure that the backup status indicates it was successful. If necessary, you can set a policy for automatic backups by navigating to the Backups tab. Within the Backups section, you'll find options for scheduling regular backups. Select your desired frequency and retention settings for automated backups. Finally, ensure to monitor your backups periodically for maintenance and compliance. And there you have it, a comprehensive process for backing up your Oracle Cloud VPS instances using OCI backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.